In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Colossyan AI script. By the end, you'll feel comfortable getting into your project, finding the right place to write, and choosing a voice that makes your message sound natural and polished. First, log into Colossyan. Head to the official website and sign in using your usual method. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account so your existing projects are available. Logging in is your gateway to the editor where all the real work happens. Once you're in, open your project in the editor. From your projects list, select the one you want to work on. This brings you into Colossyan's workspace where all the creative elements live. You'll see your canvas or scene layout in the main area and different tools around it designed to help you shape your content. Keep your focus on the left side of the screen because that's where the heart of your narration lives. On the left side, you will see the script panel. Think of this panel as your control center for spoken content. It typically displays the script for the currently selected scene, and it keeps your text organized so you always know what the voice will say at each moment. As you move between scenes, the corresponding script appears here, making it easy to keep everything aligned and consistent. Here you can edit your script and change the voice. Start by refining your words. Read the text out loud to catch awkward phrasing, long sentences, or complex terms that might trip up the narration. Short, clear sentences usually sound better and are easier to follow. If you use industry jargon or names that are hard to pronounce, consider adding a quick parenthetical hint to guide the read. Keep each line focused on a single idea so the pacing stays smooth. Next, choose the voice that best matches your goal. Browse the available options and listen for tone, warmth, and clarity. A friendly, conversational voice works well for tutorials, while a more authoritative tone can fit professional overviews. Pay attention to accent and language settings if your audience expects a particular style. When in doubt, aim for a voice that is easy to understand at normal speed and has a natural rhythm. Consistency across scenes helps your video feel cohesive, so stick with a single voice unless you have a specific reason to switch. That's the core workflow. Log in, open your project, find the script panel on the left, and polish both the words and the voice. With these essentials in place, your Colossyan projects will sound clear, confident, and engaging.